Hello, welcome to this course. In it, we will discover the different tools that Oracle VM VirtualBox offers us for creating, managing, and communicating several operating systems on your computer at the same time. My name is John Jackson. I've been working with technology for approximately 9 years, working in several areas such as networking, infrastructure, and IT support, Apple system administration, Microsoft and Linux platform, and others. In this course, I gathered information that will take you from the beginning level to advanced level in this powerful tool that allows to create laboratories, test different systems, study different subjects such as networks, programming, and vulnerabilities. In other words, the mastery of this tool will take you to another level of professionalism. The classes are direct and very clear, just your dedication. The requirements are one computer with Windows, Linux or Mac OS with 64-bit system and support for virtualization, Intel VTX or AMD, 4 GB RAM and free disk space of 30 GB and internet access. Sign up and let's unveil Oracle VM VirtualBox together.